it going?
How you doing, Officer?
Good.
Reason for stop is you don't have a tag on the car.
Yep, I'm heading down to County Square right now. I got the Form 400
Okay.
and title and insurance.
You just bought it and all that?
Yeah, I bought it a couple of days ago, but I just got the title in the mail. It came from New York.
All right.
So I'm heading right down there now.
You mind if I take a look at that and your license?
Yes, sir. I saw you behind me. I said, is he gonna stop me?
Yeah, well, so honestly, you never know.
Yeah, I
I
understand.
have a lot of problem with vehicle thefts and stuff.
I understand.
Taking tags and everything, so just sit tight, I'll be right back.
Okay. So we're heading down to County Square to get the taxes paid on the 77 Porsche, and saw the cop behind me at the stoplight, and I'm like, is he gonna pull me over? Which he did, but let's see what happens.
All right, man, here you go.
All right.
Here's your license back. I just sent the document that I stopped you.
Okay.
Beautiful car, enjoy it, all right?
You gotta do, well, you probably already know though. I was gonna say, guess what year it is?
Well, I did look at the paperwork. Yeah, it's
Because it's got all of mid-90s body panels on it.
yeah.
So it looks like a mid-90s car, but it's a 77.
77,
Yeah.
That's gorgeous.
But no, I'm heading to County Square, and then I'm heading to the DMV. So.
All right, sounds good. Enjoy
All right.
it. Be safe.
Thank you, buddy.
Yep.
Another episode of Shop Walk. We apologize for missing last Friday. Had some people on vacation and so forth, so it's a little hard to get some content. So I'm going to turn the camera over to the guys this week. So I can't guarantee what's going to happen. So let's see what's going on in the shop and see how they do. Y'all see this lady? That's going to be the new Shop Walk camera operator.
We'll see.
Right there.
We'll see.
Yep, see, you can turn around, you can see your face. Just good looking. How's my hair? My hair good. I look like I got a bald spot. Huh.
That's what everybody else sees.
Damn. Well, enough of this. Let's go out here and see what the retards, the employees are doing. Hey, where's everybody at? Good. See? A damn mess in here.
That means he's working.
What?
I said that means he's working.
Yeah, they got you fooled. Tyler, how many times you gonna put that power steering pump on?
This specific one? This specific one?
No, on this car.
I think I'm on 4.
4?
Well,
what's
when
gonna
I put
be
it back on, it'll be 5.
What's gonna be the magic number?
I don't know.
6?
You ass.
5
5 can't be the magic number.
So we have a new Shop Walk camera operator in the house.
You?
Nope.
Yep.
You holding the camera,
Yep.
so you're
Well-
the camera operator.
No. That lady right there has been left in charge. But so I'm giving her a gosh, you can't do that. This is rated.
It's got authorized. It just jumps up every now and then.
Yeah, see something. Go!
Fucking Jesus.
We got that on camera too, bub.
Oh my God. That was one of the best ones you've had.
Oh yeah, I was actually trying to be sneaky that time.
You were.
Yep.
Oh my God.
Just for everybody that's in the interweb. What are you doing?
Sanding underneath the rear corner right now.
Why?
It was all wonky.
Wonky.
Yeah,
Is that a technical term?
I'd say so.
Okay.
Sounds official enough.
Wonky.
Yep. Wonky now.
Hey, y'all like how he puts his sandpaper way up here
I can just reach right up.
and he's laying down there.
No, it's close enough.
Yeah, see, that was an epic fail.
Yeah. You
You
got me.
failed on that one. Hey, snap-ons here.
Oh boy.
Yep. All right. Go back to my camera. There it goes. Y'all probably done seen all this before, but either way, get to see it again. One chevelle's about to be going home. As soon as we put the valve covers on it, we got this piece put on. Yep, that looks nice.
Yeah.
36 Ford doors going up to Nate Dogg's tomorrow.
Who's taking it?
I don't know. I know Jerry's going because he's the one who hung them to start with. Bam! That looked good. That looks nice. Y'all see that big dog right there? Look. That thing going in a 68 Marrow. Mine. That's what the plan is. Yep. What y'all think? Big block or LS? I don't know about y'all, but I'm tired of LS's. LS everything. I even got a LS in my lawnmower. Well, you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, say bye.
Bye.
Hey y'all, I'm Miranda with Creative Rods. Don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.